Hallo alle zusammen, welcome back to my channel Learn German My Way. Today we are going to discuss about das Wetter, the weather. Los geht's! So the question in today's video is, wie ist das Wetter heute? Wie ist das Wetter heute? How is the weather today? Heute, today. So let's see how can we answer this question in 4 different sentences. Or how can we give an Antworte answer for this question? The first thing which you can say is, es ist schön. It is nice or pleasant. Or you can also say, es ist schön draußen. Draußen means outside. So if you want to tell somebody how is the weather outside, you can say, es ist schön draußen. The second way in which you can answer is, es ist kalt. So that means it is cold. Kalt. The adjective kalt means cold. The opposite of kalt is warm or heiß. So you can say, es ist kalt. Or you can say, es ist warm. So it's hot. Or es ist kaltes, it is cold. How else can you answer this question? What are the other things we see in a weather? So if we have to say it is raining. So German language doesn't have a continuous tense. Even if you want to say it is raining or it has rained, it will be the same sentence. Es regnet. Es regnet. Es regnet. Or you can say es schneit. Es schneit. It is snowing. Es regnet is it is raining. Es schneit means it is snowing. What else can we say? If we want to say the sun is shining. So, die Sonne scheint. Die Sonne scheint. The sun is shining. We can also say it is windy. Es ist windig. That is, it is windy. So we've learnt the Antworte, the answers for wie ist das Wetter heute. I'm sure this video will help you in another small conversation with a German speaker. Also, you can comment below for suggestions if you have any regarding learning a specific topic. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and please do subscribe. Dankeschön. Tschüss.